Hey everybody, it's Gabby. Today I'm going to show you one of my go-to everyday makeup looks. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. So the first product I'm going to start out with is the NYX Pore Filling Primer. Okay, and I always blend this product into my T-zone. So, you know, forehead, down the nose, sides of the nose, and my chin. Alright, and now for foundation, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Wear. I am in the shade 420, which is True Beige. So I use about 2 pumps of this, and I pump it onto my damp beauty sponge. And I just kind of tap the product around my face where I'm going to be needing it. And then I just start to blend. Now I'm just going to do another half a pump or so, just a little dot on my beauty sponge, and go back in where I typically need more coverage, which is on the apples of my cheeks and where I may not have reached before. I just dot it where I think I need it, and then I blend it out. To also take some product and blend down the neck. Okay, so next I'm going in with the Marcelle Translucent Face Powder to set the face. I'm using my Real Technique setting brush and just going, dusting, starting under the eye, dusting down the face and neck. Do the same way. So next I'm going to go in with blush. So I'm going to take my Beige Cosmetics Contour and Blush Palette. And I'm gonna go in with this really bright blush color. Just lightly dust that, bring some color back to the face. I'm going to take the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Like that, I just place it right under the blush. To keep it light with the contouring, so I'm going to take the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, and I'm going to go in with the Medium Cocoa with a Real Technique sculpting brush. Tap off the excess, and this I just lightly bring up on both sides, and I also bring it up into the temples. Side of the brush, just lightly soften the edge of where the product is placed. Okay, with whatever's left on the brush, I just take it under the chin, along the sides of the nose, and then I dip into the color once more and just go under the jawline and blend that in. And take whatever is left down the neck. Now I go in and just blend that all together again. I'm just gonna go in with the setting brush, no additional product, just whatever's left on the brush, and kind of go over the blush to tone it down a little bit. Okay, and now with this same setting brush, I'm going to go into Light Cocoa in our Cocoa Contour Palette. Swirl that around and kind of use it to just highlight under the contour and bronzer, the high points of the face. And down the side of the nose and under the eye. And now just make sure to blend it all together. Make everything look nice and seamless. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with brows. And for brows, I'm going to use this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in the shade, where's the shade? In the shade Soft Brown. So there is a lot of product on the brush, so I do just kind of scrape it off a little bit. So now I just take the wand and lightly brush the hairs where I'm wanting the product. And as I get closer to the tail of the brow, I'm going to kind of use just the very tip of this brush. I want to make sure the product only gets where I want it, since this is can be very difficult to move. Well, it is very difficult to move once it's set. So next, going in with a spoolie, I'm going to brush that product out. So with this product, you're going to want to move quite quickly. It does set fast, and it kind of becomes very difficult to move around once it's set. Now I just go in and take some product off the wand with a Still Spot Essentials eyebrow brush, and without having too much product, again, I just go in and kind of fill in where the initial brush may have missed. And I go in again with the spoolie and make sure that the product is all nicely brushed out. The hairs are set. And even though this is an everyday look, I still go in with that light cocoa color from the Too Faced palette and just clean up any product that may have gotten on the skin. Okay, so now I'm going to go and do the other eyebrow off camera. Alright, so now that we're done with the eyebrows, we're going to go in with the Urban Decay Original Naked palette. And we're just going to go into the shade here, Naked. So we're just taking a fluffy blender brush and placing this right in the crease, really softly blending that. And now we're going to dip into the darker matte brown, which is Buck. And for this, we're just going to place it just below where we put Naked, and buffing it now for the other eye, we'll go back into Naked, place it right in the crease. We tap into Buck and focus that a little more towards the outside and below. Now what I like to do is I like to take this small eyeshadow brush from before and go back into light cocoa, tap any excess off, and just make a line where I want that eyeshadow to stop, because it fanned out further than I wanted it to. And for the eyelid, again with the original Naked palette, we're going to go into the shade Sin, which is the second from the end here, this pink color. And for this I just take my finger and place it, I start on the center of the lid and then kind of lightly tap it out into the inner corner, and take a clean finger and push it away from the outer corner. And I bring it up a little bit right where my crease starts. I like to mix Naked and Buck. Tap off the excess product and just kind of stamp it with this blender brush. On that outer corner. With a clean blender brush, we're going to go in and soften that line on both sides for the product where Sin meets the mixture of Buck and Naked. And we're going to dip into this white shade here, Virgin, just with an Urban Decay brush that comes with the palette. And then we're going to just place it right in the inner corner. And taking this L'Oreal Paris liner, we're just going to do a little wing here, following the eyeshadow. And now with this Covergirl liquid eyeliner, we're going to finish that off. Alright, and now to finish off the eyes, we're going to go in and curl the lashes. Okay, and for mascara, I'm going in with this Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude Mascara. Okay, and for the bottom lashes, we're going to go in with L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise. I prefer this brush over the Lash Sensational one for the bottom lash line because it's just, even though it's bigger, it's easier to work with because there's no curve to the brush. Alright, so last but not least, we're going to go in with some lipstick. So I'm going in with the Rimmel London Kate lipstick in shade 45. And there you have it. This is today's look. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.